Hey, what's up everybody, what's up, it's your boy XO, and in this video guys I will show you guys a really simple and very effective forex scalping strategy that you can use to make a lot of cash trading in the forex market. Alright guys, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so for this strategy we'll be needing just three indicators guys. So we'll be needing the 200 EMA, which is this golden line you can see on my chart. The EMA stands for the exponential moving average line, 200 period. And we'll be needing one more called the RSI. So guys, I'm so sorry for I've been using my mobile phone for the past 1 week now for my videos. It's because my laptop had problems and I had to fix it. So the PC version will also be back, and I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this section, and if you don't, please drop a comment, and I can't really do much actually. So let's add in our RSI, and we need the RSI and the moving average. So RSI stands for the relative strength index, and we'll be needing the ATR, which stands for average true range. Alright guys, so let me quickly change the colors of this RSI and this EMA and get back, and this ATR, and get back to you guys real quick. Alright guys, so real quick, we'll be needing to put in a line. I call it the okay, you have to put in this horizontal line in the middle of, alright guys, so I have to put in this horizontal line in the middle of this RSI. So let's change the color to red or gold. Let's just gold guys. Gold is much more visible. Alright, so we'll put this golden line in the middle at the 50 zone of the RSI. And the rules for this strategy is, if we see the price below the 200 EMA line and also below the RSI, that is the strong sign for a sell. And so let's see. Okay, and the rules of the strategy, like I said, is if it's below the RSI and the 200 EMA line, it's a good sign for a sell. But the condition for our entry is if there's a breakout of the 200 EMA line and if there's a retest. All right, you see that the market broke out at this point and it came back to retest. So at the close of that candlestick that touched the 200 EMA line, we'll be looking to take the ATR of that candlestick. So what is the ATR of this candlestick that touched? What is the ATR? That is the reason why I said we needed an ATR indicator. So the ATR is 29, and you do 29 times 2 or 29 times 1.5. It depends on which ATR value you want to use, but I recommend you use a 2 or a 1.5. It depends on which one you need. You can use a 3, you can use a 1.7. It depends guys. So okay, so let's just say a 29. So let's just do approximately a 30 ATR value times 1.5. That will be 45. So the stop loss for this trade for a sell at this point at the close of that candlestick is 45 pip stop. So you're going to take the trade at a 45 pip stop, just at this point, 45 pip stop. And guys, this is a scalping strategy, so I recommend you take a 1 to 1.5, and yeah, this is it. So, and as you can see, this trade was a beautiful win at this point. As you can see, this was a beautiful win on the EUR USD on the 3-minute time frame. It worked on the 5-minute time frame, on the 15 minutes, on the 1 hour time frame. It depends on what time frame you want to use it on, and I recommend you use it on, if you're a scalper, then 3 minutes, 5 minutes is a good time. But if you want to day trade, then you can use it on the 15, on the 30, and on the 1 hour time frame. And guys, I just launched a one-on-one live coaching section, and if you want to trade with me live every single day, and you want me to mentor you and teach you how to trade live, guys, click the link in the description. The first link in the description is my live coaching, one-on-one live coaching section. So guys, it's really cheap. So guys, just click the link, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.